Welcome to Active English Training. My name is Ingrid, and in this video I'm going to describe a photograph step by step to help you structure your picture descriptions well and of course learn some vocabulary. The picture is about friendship and shows three young women after working out, probably at a gym. In this picture you can see three young women high-fiving each other after working out. The three women are standing close together, giving each other high fives with big smiles on their faces. They are all dressed in sports clothes like sports bras and sports tights, and they all have different body shapes, skin tone, and hairstyles. The woman on the right has an athletic and toned body with brown skin and dark curly hair tied up in a high ponytail. The woman in the middle has ginger hair, also tied back, fair skin, and a curvier body. And the woman on the left has black hair, fair skin, and a shorter, fuller body shape. They all look a bit sweaty, which suggests that they've just finished a workout, maybe at the gym. Their facial expressions look excited and happy, and their high fives show that they are proud of each other, cheering each other on and supporting each other. They look confident and comfortable around each other and also full of energy. The background is just a grey wall and nothing else, so it's hard to tell where exactly the picture was taken. These three women could be close friends who enjoy working out together, or maybe they met in a fitness class and became friends. As they are dressed in sports outfits, they're probably at a gym or in a fitness class, maybe in the evening after work or at the weekend. They might work out regularly together to stay active and fit, and just because they enjoy spending time together. I think this picture shows an important part of friendship: acceptance. These friends look different in body shape, style, and background, yet they seem completely happy and confident together, which shows they accept each other just the way they are. I also have friends with diverse looks, styles, backgrounds, interests, and ages. Some are much younger than me, others are much older than me. We do all kinds of fun and meaningful activities together, which makes my life so much richer. I know personally how important it is that your friends accept you the way you are and make you feel comfortable being yourself.